Thanks for visiting the Trade Bedrooms website. We offer a totally free planning and design service, and to take advantage of that we just need your room measurements, position of your doors, your window, your ceiling height, where you prefer to have your bed, and a simple way to email that to us is to use our online bedroom planner. So if you click on the link on the designing your room page, the program will load up and you're presented with this first page here. You don't have to create an account, but if you do, it means you can save your drawing to come back to it later, do more than one version of the room, or open it on a different computer. If you don't want to do that, we click on this next step tab just here. Two ways then to import your room. One is draw a rectangle, alter it, add the features, but a simpler and more intuitive way is to use this start from scratch tab here. So if we click on start from scratch, the drawing area will appear. We've got icons at the top of the page here, and the one we want is this one, which is the wall tool. So we click on there. Before we draw the room, we can decide if we want to do the measurements as metric or imperial, whichever you're more comfortable with. We're happy either way. So we'll go imperial at this stage here, and then picking a corner of the room. So I'll start in this bottom left corner. We do a single left click, that starts the wall, and then we drag the wall to the length that we want. So whatever you've measured your room as, then we do a single left click and we drag off to the next wall. So I'm going to do this wall as though there's a chimney breast here. So we've got a 3'11" alcove, 3'10" alcove. We drop down here to the depth of the chimney breast, we come across the width of the chimney, return. These alcoves are often different width, so we'll do that one at 4'2". Then this is coming down towards the window. So again, whatever you've measured the distance from the corner of the window, we drag this down here, we click, and then your window we draw still using the wall tool. We'll leave a space for the window that we're going to put in a minute. So whatever the width of your wall is, window, we just click here and we drag down then to the corner of the room, left click, and then this is a wall coming down towards the doorway, so whatever that measurement is, left click. And then your door frame will go in here. Again, we'll draw it as though it's a wall for now, and then drop the door on top of it. You've probably got a 2'6" door, but if you measure the actual size right over all the frame, including the architrave, and put that distance in here, and then to finish the room, back to where we started, double click, and there are the walls drawn. So to put the doors and windows in, we have this tab down here, the bottom left, saying doors and windows. Click on that, and these are our window options here. So we click on the window, left click, keep the left button held down and drag the cursor across to where the window goes, get it over the position we left for the window, let go, and there's the window in place. You can then slide that up to one end by just holding the left click down, and to get it the right length we just hold the left click down on this slider button here and we drag that down till it reaches the point we left in the wall. Same for the door. We come back here, hold the cursor over the door, hold the left mouse button down, keep it held down, drag it down over the door frame, position, let go. It's brought it in as a 2'6" door. We're going a bit bigger than that because we want the room for the architrave. So again, grab the sliders, drag it up to the point we left in the wall. And there's your room drawn with your walls, the dimensions, the window and the door. We want to know your ceiling height, so if you can click on this text tool just here at the top, and then come into the room and just write in whatever your ceiling height is. That might be 96 inches. That's good, that tells us exactly what your ceiling height is. If that's in the way in a moment, you can drag that out of the way, put it in the corner. So if you want to tell us where you'd like to have your bed, then you've got some furniture options here, the top left. We click on that tab, asks you to select category, drop that menu down, and there's various options here: live, work, cook, dine, bath. The one we want is sleep, and then we want to pick the beds option and standard beds. So you can pick whichever bed you want here: single, double, king size, super king. We'll pick a double bed, hold down the left mouse button on top of the bed, drag it into the room, just let go. You want to turn it round to be the right way around, so you can hold down your left button on that tab there and you can spin it round. Don't worry too much about getting it square, and then just hold down your left button on it and drag it into place. So that'll tell us more or less where you want your bed. Though we're happy to give you a couple of other options if you prefer. So we've got the dimensions of your room, the shape of your room, told us the ceiling height, told us where you want your bed. If you've got a radiator or something here, you can use this drawing tool and you can just draw us a line in where the radiator is. We'll know exactly what that means. Just turn that tool back off there, and that's a room ready to go. So to email it to us, back to the icons at the top, we've got this tab here that says email plan. Click on there. If you tell us who you are, your email address, so that we can reply to you. Receiver name, that's us, so you can just put Trade Bedrooms there. And our email address is on the website, but it is factory@tradebedrooms.com. and if you've got any comments in here, whatever they might be, you might want to tell us that you've got a sloping ceiling or you've got some special requirements. If you could give us, you don't need to give us your address particularly at this stage, but if you give us a phone number, it's nice because we can phone you up if you've forgotten anything. You don't have to do that, but it helps. But if you can certainly give us your postcode, then it means that we can quote you a full price including delivery. And then if you click on send plan just here, that arrives in our inbox, and we then open up exactly what you've got on the screen at the moment, and from there we design your bedroom. We'll email you the different views as you've seen on the website, along with a fully itemised quote. Okay, I hope you enjoy designing your bedroom and have fun.